Lot 7 Sugar Hill Point, where we've got a lot going out here today. As you can see, we've got a house being built a couple lots over, and they've got the concrete trucks out here today getting ready to pour some, looks like maybe the driveway and some things like that. This lot's in half an acre. We've got 100 feet of waterfront. As you can see, we've just had the lot cleaned up, mowed, looks real great. Beauty of these lots in here is they're all gentle slopes and you got big views. Let's head on down to the build site. We'll talk about that, and then we'll get down to the waterfront where we have a dock and we have a beautiful sandy beach in place. So let's head down there. Here we are down at the build site, the back of it, and you can see you got a long view, one of the longest views you're going to see out on the lake. And you know, again, we're talking about an easy build site. Got this beautiful grass lawn in here already. As you can see, we've got the dock in place behind us. Unique thing about this community, there is no minimum square footage. So you can build a smaller cottage style house. This is a Stephen Fuller cottage development. So, you know, Stephen Fuller has to approve any of the plans, but they have some different plans or ideas that you could utilize, or you could custom your own or go through Stephen Fuller or get your own architect and have that approved, but a lot of different options here. So let's just say you wanted to build a 1,200 square foot cottage just to get started. You could do that and then have the option to add on to that as maybe as your family grows or as your needs grow. So it's a very unique concept here on Lake Keowee. Let's head down from here because there's a couple interesting features down here. Obviously a brand new dock. We talked about the sandy beach, but there's also a partial boat ramp area here that you can maybe utilize as well on your own property. So let's head down to the dock and check it out. All right, here we are down at the water. As I said, you have a old ramp area here that comes right down to the sand. Probably wouldn't be that difficult to get a jet ski or something where you could back it off into the water, or maybe even a boat, depending on what kind of vehicle you have. But again, you got this wonderful dock, great view, and this awesome natural sand beach. One of the unique places, because you don't get that in a lot of places. You also see we've also got some riprap here as well. And one thing I like about this, you've got Laurel Ridge, which is right across the way. You got beautiful houses, wonderful crescent community here. In fact, the lot out here on the point sold for $400,000 there to the left. And again, you've got that big view that direction. So you're protected enough off the main lake, so swimming is going to be really an easy thing here where you're not going to have a lot of waves and boats zipping in and out of this cove. So it's a perfect scenario in my eye. You got a great location, easy build site, great piece of property with a lot of options. So if you have any interest in this property, give us a call at 800-682-9098. Enjoy the aerial video, and this will really show you just exactly where you are and how awesome this place is.
Thank you.